Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all?
Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Walaikum salam bete. How are you?
Fine.
You all know that today we have a test.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Walaikum salam bete. We have a test today. Do you all know that now?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you all ready for it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I'm sharing the test link in WhatsApp. So I want everyone to look at that, please.
Teacher, I am using a laptop. So, teacher, I don't have a WhatsApp in my laptop. So, kindly
I'll be
also give the link.
definitely I'll be sharing here. I want everyone open the video and Fatma Mohsin do recitation bete.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد
Sadaqallahu Azim, Jazakallah bete. Okay, I already have shared the link in WhatsApp and I'm sharing over here as well. Everyone, open video. Otherwise, I'm removing you, Mois, Anaya, Ali Salman. I'm removing you because the video is closed. During test time, you are not allowed to close the video. Mois, be attentive. I won't admit you if you don't open the video. Mois, Saqib, Mois, and Anaya. Do you all get the test link? Okay, Anaya, Mohammad Saqib, I'm removing you and you will not be able to join again because the video is not open. Saqib and Mois, Ryan, beta, open the video. Anaya, beta, I'm removing you because you're not opening the camera. To switch off video is not allowed. Open video. Show me thumbs up sign. You all got the link. Did you all got the link? Abdullah Danish, open video. Otherwise, I will remove you. Show thumbs up sign. Rija, Anaya, did you get the link? Everyone should do together. Did you receive the link of test? You did not receive it. Amsal, go to chat option and got the link. Who will close their camera? I will remove them. I'm telling it to you. Abdullah Danish, Mubashir, Mois, sit properly, be attentive during test time. And open video. I'm sharing a screen, look at that. Okay, look at that. You have to select appropriate answer from these three. Number one, he dashed his assignment yesterday. You have to select the correct option. I dash all my childhood in South India. Select the appropriate option. Here you have to look at the picture, what is going on, and you have to create a newspaper headline using simple present tense. You have to discuss about this picture, and it should be a newspaper headline. Look at this picture. You have to frame 2 sentences about this picture. 2 sentences you have to create. Here you have to select the correct option. She loves reading book. Justify verb in the given sentence. Here you have to justify the given tense. Which tense it is. Present, past, future, which tense it is. Phone me when you dash time. Select the appropriate answer. What will come? When we were children, we dash our toys. So you have to select the correct option. Were making, had made, and made. What will come? Phone me when you dash time. Would have, will have. From 3 you have to select 1. She loves reading book. Justify verb in the given sentence. Action verb है, startive verb है, helping verb है.
Teacher, I don't understand the question. That was a picture. That lately one. Teacher, speak loudly. I can't hear you. Teacher, I can't hear you.
The house picture.
No, teacher. In this picture, there are many people, and you were saying what you have done lately.
Wait, let me show again. Look at that. This picture.
No.
This picture. This picture.
Yes.
Here you have to justify tense. Look at that. What have you done lately? Which tense it is? मुझे बताएं ये कौन सा tense है?
Okay.
Amna, every questions are, bete, do let me know every single question is. Reja and Moise, I'm sending you in the waiting room. The video is closed now, so I'm removing you. Open video. Asghar, be attentive. Sakib, be attentive. You all can unmute yourself for asking question. Unmute yourself.
मिस आपने लिंक भेजी है
जी बेटा, I have shared the link.
Miss,
मेरे पास नहीं आई मैंने अभी करा
Did you receive Mubashir? I have sent it to you. जी बेटे.
यस मिस यस
जी please.
Miss 4 वाले का समझा दें.
Which one, my dear?
4-1.
Fourth one. Okay.
4.
मिस
Wait a minute. Let me answer one question.
This one.
Look at this.
This one.
This picture.
No, no.
This one, Anaya.
No. Down one.
Okay, this one.
Yes.
Here you have to tell which sentence, which tense it is. You कौन सा tense है? What have you done lately?
Okay.
Present है, present का simple है, past है, past का simple है, past continuous है, present perfect है, past perfect है, क्या है ये आपको बताना है. Only 2 words you will be writing over here.
मिस
G. Reja, you are not attentive. You know it has the marks.
बस वो अपने फ्रेम की पिक्चर मिस आपने पिक्चर दी है जिसमें घर बना हुआ है, उसमें हमें क्या करना है? उस घर पे बनानी है या फिर
Two sentences.
उस घर में क्या दिख
You have to write 2 sentences about the picture.
उस पिक्चर में क्या दिख रहा है?
G.
Miss, we have to write interrogative or negative.
We are in house.
Teacher, we have to write interrogative or negative.
Bete, in which sentence you are talking about?
That one.
Which one?
In the sentence, what have you done lately?
No, I did not ask about the interrogative or positive. I asked about the tense. Tense कौन सा है? Tense कौन सा है बेटे? Present है, past है, future है, present simple है, past continuous है, कौन सा tense है? Only 2 words you will be writing over there. Care about the punctuation mark? It's Google form and you have to be very careful in attempting the test. Please be careful. Punctuate each and everything properly. Do give a proper space and spelling should be correct. Otherwise, the Google will give the 0 marks to you. Abdullah Farhan, I am removing you. The video is closed. And okay. Did everyone did you get it? Come on, tell me. Mushk. Did you all receive the test link? Okay, very good. Now quickly start doing it. Ali Salman, be attentive. Moise, you are not attentive. Abdullah Danish, Moise, Ali Salman. You are not attentive. Zayan, you as well.
Yeah. Teacher, I want to ask some question.
Ask.
Teacher, आप question number 3 फिर से समझा दे.
Okay, question number 3. Look at the picture and write a newspaper headline. This one. बेटा आपने न्यूज़पेपर देखा है बाहर जो आते हैं डॉन का जंग का डिड यू एवर सी एक ब्रॉड प्रोमिनेंट हेडिंग्स होती हैं जो ब्रॉड होती हैं थोड़ी सी ठीक है ना वो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में होती हैं आपको इस पिक्चर को देख के एक न्यूज़पेपर हेडलाइन बनानी है look at the picture and make newspaper headline इस पिक्चर में क्या हुआ है look at that I ask you to use simple present tense when we make newspaper headline we do use simple present tense
इस टेस्ट स्टार्ट हो गया क्या?
जी बेटे
इसमें से लिंक शेयर कर दें.
I already have shared through WhatsApp and over here in chat as well. Go through the chat, please.
मैं अभी ज्वाइन हुआ ना.
हाँ बेटे chat check करें. You got it.
Yes, miss, I got it.
I have sent personally as well.
ये मिस क्वेश्चन नहीं है जिसको ये आप कह रही है सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में ये मिस गाड़ी
Mubashir, unmute yourself. जी मुबशिर
मिसेज आपने जो ये एक पिक्चर दी है सबसे फर्स्ट वाली जो गाड़ी टक्कर मारी है बाइक को वो इस पे क्या करना है
आपको एक न्यूज़पेपर की हेडलाइन बनानी है
एक पेपर पे
नो बेटे यहीं पर सेंटेंस बनाना है आपको एक यहाँ पर द ब्लैंक आई हैव गिवन यू ना
यस
इस ब्लैंक में एक सेंटेंस बनाइए अबाउट द पिक्चर अखबार आपने रीड किए डिड यू एवर रीड द न्यूज़पेपर हु रीड्स द न्यूज़पेपर डू लेट मी नो मुश्किल फातिमा आई एम रिमूविंग यू Abdullah Farhan and Moise and I will not mark your test so many warning I have given you You are not allowed to close the camera. Abdullah
बस
Farhan, जी बेटे.
बस मुझे क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Okay, Abhiya, you wish to ask something?
बस वो कुकीज
Teacher,
उसने कुकीज पकड़ी हुई है या कुछ और?
मेरा बेटा आपको
teacher,
टेंस जस्टिफाई करना है, सेंटेंस नहीं बनाना वहां पर. Look at that.
teacher, in the frame sentences,
Abhiya, you
in
have
the frame sentences,
Abhiya,
teacher, I have read the first
Abhiya,
point.
wait. Let me answer the question first. Fatma Mohsin, listen it carefully. What have you done lately? आपको यहाँ पे सेंटेंस नहीं बनाना, जुमला नहीं बनाना. आपको बताना है ये कौन सा टेंस है. ठीक है? प्रेजेंट सिंपल है, पास्ट सिंपल है, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है, पास्ट परफेक्ट है. कौन सा सेंटेंस है ये बताना है आपको. नाउ अभिया स्पीक अप.
Teacher, I'm seeing the house one page. You have said that write 2 points. So teacher, I write the first. When I enter it, so teacher, there is no option to write the 2 points. So I am writing in a one line. I am just making a bracket.
You are not able to write the sentence over there.
I am not able to do enter.
You are not able. Let me check. Again, do it now.
No, teacher, there is a space. But teacher, I have to write in a one line. There is not 2 lines. There is only one line.
Okay. You can send this composition to sentence in WhatsApp to me afterwards. ठीक है? Here, create one sentence, and the composition you can WhatsApp me through the picture. You can WhatsApp me. Zayan, Abdullah Farhan, and Mois. You don't obey na bete. Zayan, bete, open the video. Otherwise, I'm removing you. Mois, I will not accept the test of yours. And Abdullah Farhan as well. You both got the 0 marks. Inshallah, today at night I'll be sharing the test marks with you. You have 10 minutes more with you. If you wish to ask question, you can raise. Abdullah Farhan? ठीक है, don't do. I'm not accepting the test. Abdullah Farhan?
Yes, miss.
I'm removing you. Bete, why did you close the video of yours? Who has done the test? Put thumbs up sign who has done. Anaya done? Okay, let me check the responses. Okay, let me tell the numbers of yours now. That's really great. Wow, wonderful. So many students submitted it to me. Let me check. Sinan, what is the score of yours? Ji.
Teacher, in this picture, I have write the headline, and it is showing incorrect. But and I have punctuate also, and teacher frame sentences also.
Send me picture through WhatsApp. Okay, let me check first of Anaya. Anaya, it's fine, it's also fine. It's also fine. Anaya, the newspaper headline. I told you, write simple present tense. You have to care about the simple present tense. With third person singular, what we do? Fine. Or you have, what have you done lately in that as well? The tense you have to justify again. You have to do two things again. Now let me check off Sinan. Sinan, have you submitted it to me? Okay, Abia Imran. Abia, second is wrong. Third is also wrong. Fourth, fine. Fifth is also wrong. Sixth is also wrong. Abia, you scored 5. Sakib.
Oh,
Sakib, you also scored 5. Bete, why don't you care about the punctuation marks and things? I told you, na. Okay, at night I'll be sharing the test marks of all of you together. Ji Abdullah Farhan has the question.
टीचर मेरे भी वो दोनों गलत दिखा रहे हैं.
आप
Yes, टीचर मेरे में frame sentences और
Bete, do other question except that. Send through composition. Send complete through WhatsApp.
teacher, I have sent you the screenshot of those
Yes,
two questions I have done incorrect.
very nice, Bete. I have received. Composition picture you can send through WhatsApp. or you can mail me at my email address. Composition you can mail me, or you can
So,
do WhatsApp. This is my email
teacher,
address.
so headlines and
G. Heading, newspaper
So what
headline.
we have to do here with your link?
Submit other MCQs to me. But composition you can WhatsApp me. I have shared my email address.
So teacher, edit what we have to do?
Just submit it. Do MCQs. Composition you can mail me. Okay. Which open the camera of yours now. How could I get it? Where are you? Muhammad Danish.
वैसे मैं कह रहा था कि स्टेटिव वर्ब मुझे बता दें.
This is my email address. I have shared in chat. Look at that.
Yes, yes.
Send me composition through email or through WhatsApp.
इसमें आपसे मेरा भी टेस्ट नहीं हुआ, मुझे एक सवाल पूछना है.
As the question.
ये स्टेटिव वर्ब क्या होते हैं? क्या आवाज नहीं आ रही?
My dear students, it's not the lecture time, it's the test time. Right now, I'm not making you understand the lecture. I am conducting a test right now. ठीक है ना? मैं आपको क्वेश्चन पढ़ के बता सकती हूँ, लेकिन अभी लेक्चर नहीं दे सकती. जी रिजा.
टीचर,
जी.
मुझे आपने सेंटेंसेस ऑफ अबाउट मैंने वो कर लिया है. सबमिट. आपको मैं इसकी पिक्चर सेंड कर दूं?
जी. ताकि मोइज आई एम रिमूविंग यू. जी बेटे रिजा, यू कैन.
आंसर बताओ.
बस वो मुझे
क्या लिखा है?
पिक्चर कॉम्पोजिशन वो गलत दिखा रहा है.
हाँ बेटे,
आप मेरे
पिक्चर कॉम्पोजिशन मुझे मेल कर दीजिए. पिक्चर कॉम्पोजिशन मेल कर दीजिए, और यू कैन सेंड इन व्हाट्सएप.
I open the do it again.
Abhiya,
It's
you
giving
are
the option to do
Abhiya,
that
the
again.
voice is not clear. I'm unable to get the question of yours. And my dear, only 2 minutes are left. Quickly ask the question. Otherwise, I will inactive the form. Quickly submit it to me. Your time.
Yes.
You have only 2 minutes. G.
Yes, I have submitted the question.
Very good. G, Abhiya.
Teacher, I have done the quiz and I submitted you. But teacher, I don't view my score. When I open it, it is giving me the option to do it again.
Okay, you can attempt that again and again. But the first attempt which you did first time, no, that I will consider for the test marks. ठीक है ना? Practice you can do as much as you can. आप बार-बार
Teacher,
कर
which
सकते हैं.
marks I got?
The marks I'll be sharing together late night at 9. Together everyone will get their marks. Yes, Saqib, I will cut your -2 marks for closing camera and you are not attentive. Zayan, you are not attentive, please. Class participation has the marks. Yusra, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
टीचर, वो जो हेडलाइन वाला था वो मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा.
बेटे, आपको सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में पिक्चर में क्या हो रहा है बताना है. You shall look at the picture or create a simple present tense. Simple present tense आपको create करने आते हैं ना? टीचर ने आपको सिखाए हैं. कीजिए create. रिचा, आपने मुझे सेंटेंस नहीं भेजा, आपने पिक्चर भेज दी है मुझे. प्लीज क्रिएट सेंटेंस एंड सेंड द पिक्चर. बेटे मुझे सेंटेंस बना के सेंटेंस की पिक्चर भेजिए. सिनान आप भी. आई वांट सेंटेंस. मैं टेस्ट में इंक्लूड करूंगी ना बेटे आपके सेंटेंस. रिजा, फातिमा, मोहसिन, अबिया, मुझे सेंटेंस लिख के भेजिए बेटे. यू हैव
Yes.
to write sentence and send it to me. I don't want the picture that is cross. ठीक है, मुझे वो पिक्चर नहीं चाहिए.
Teacher, I am saying that teacher, I am telling you now that when I open to see my score, teacher, it is blank.
I told you not to worry about the score right now. The test marks I'll be sharing late night. You have to send.
Yes, teacher, but you are saying that they send me the picture of sentences. When I open it, it is fully blank. There are no my answer. It is saying that do it again. The answer was blank.
Abhiya, don't capture the picture of the form. फॉर्म की पिक्चर नहीं क्रिएट करें. मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे 2 सेंटेंस बना के सेंड कर दें. सिंपल.
Okay.
Sinan, you as well. Yes, Mush Fatma ask the question. Mushki Fatma, please ask the question. Saqib, -2 marks. The camera is closed. Zayan, after 2 minutes, I'll be minusing your marks as well. Open video.
Miss Diana?
Ji. Mushk, I'm very angry on you. You don't join the class daily. So many assignments are left to submit.
Sentence.
Ji.
We have to thank you. Teacher, your voice is not coming.
Send me composition through WhatsApp. Abdullah Farhan.
Okay.
Teacher, I have sent.
Submit assignment.
I send you.
Who will not submit assignment, they will be getting 0 marks in test. Abdullah Farhan, mark my word. I'll be submitting 0 marks of yours if I don't get it. Asghar, Muhammad Danish, I want assignment.
Teacher, there is a auto class. So teacher, can we join it?
Ji, beta, you have to submit through WhatsApp. If the submission date is over there. Time up, your test time ended. Now you will not be able to submit this form. I'm stopping it. ठीक है? 20 seconds you have to submit. The class time ended. ठीक है? Reja has the question. Reja beta has the question. Time up. Time's up. I am stopping the form now.
Second sentence.
Now listen it very carefully. Who did not attempt the test today, they can attempt it tomorrow. But during the class time, and your video should be open. If you don't open the video of yours, I will not accept the test of yours. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, students. The marks I'll be sharing at 9.